Lucerne, Switzerland. Welcome to Lucerne, Switzerland. Ayan, dito naman kami maglalakwatsa for today. This is Lucerne, Switzerland. Come and join us. Yes, from Basel, we're now on the way to Lucerne. We're now in Switzerland. So you see actually the back view is all the beautiful mountain with snow. So we're almost by Lucerne and we will explore Lucerne. So join us guys. Stay tuned. So here we are entering Lucerne, Switzerland. Look, looking for parking. Actually, this is our third time here. Yes, and really, it's really beautiful. Hindi nakakasawa. So here we are. I will show my family Lucerne again. And here, look, the macarons and the chocolate place just here by the city center of Lucerne. A lot of chocolate, a Batman chocolate place. Looks so nice and it's so beautiful here.
Dating na pulis, huhulihin ka.
Kasi mag-JJ walking ka kaya ka huhulihin. So we will go around here, the city center of Lucerne, and we do some picture.
Sa pa. Yan ka, Ricky.
This is beautiful lake, right? You see, and overlooking is the beautiful view of the Alps. And actually during summer here is all the ferry. You can ride the ferry and you can go around here, the lake of Lucerne. This is really a popular spot here because you can see the overlooking all the mountain with white snow. Ang ganda, diba?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1.
The castle's there, huh?
Yeah. Yan pa siya, no? Kayo, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And then sa tapat ng lake, tatawid tayo and we will go to the most popular masterpiece here in Lucerne.
Ma,
That is the chapel here. The chapel that is a wood chapel they called. This chapel bridge actually is the most pictorial place for people. There's no picture, is no bridge, and there's no bridge without pictures. Ayan, tatawid ka dito. And they also have some pictures here, but actually this is got fired, sabi nila, during 1300.
aba, oo.
I'm not so sure. But you see, mayroon sila tong mga paintings actually. You can walk and you can see all the paintings here. And it's really beautiful here by the bridge because both view are beautiful. View of the lake with the castle and also the view of the mountain. So if you visit Lucerne without coming here in Chapel Bridge is not complete. everybody come here actually in this chapel bridge, especially during summer. This is very crowded here. When we came here, I think I've been here for summer also. So this is my third time actually here already, and we always make picture in this bridge. And because of the Christmas, they have an extra Christmas leaves here along the bridge. Wow, it's nice.
Yan, 1, 2, 3. Oh, pag ganito, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And as you see also by the chapel bridge, you see the tower. That's a water tower actually, and that's also old. It's about 13th century.
Mama. Wala.
Enough
Kayo ni
picture
Lola.
na.
Kayo ni Lola.
Tama na ang picture sa bridge. Ayan, nakita niyo kung gaano siya kahaba. Ang ganda.
1, 2, konsensya ko pa.
Look. Picture.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nebahan. 1, 2, 3.
This is the tough
One more.
Ma, wala. Maybe she will get wet.
Bakit ba tayo
Hindi
tatawid?
ka naman, tatawid na tayo.
Tatawid. Tawid. Wala ko.
Here's the lake. And during summer, as I told you,
Ma,
there
sige,
is
punta ka. 1, 2.
also this time.
Kasama.
Yeah, you just need to pay, but it's more beautiful also in
2,
summer. At least
3.
it's ngayon malamig.
Sa ano? Yan, wow, grabe.
Picture,
Ah.
picture. The mountain behind you.
1, 2, 3.
Mountain. So,
2,
nakikainan.
pang profile.
The mountain with snow.
Sarap, huh? Peking duck. Peking duck.
Oh. Wala, oh. So, 1, 2, 3. Nako. Ini. One, two.
Christmas tree, but underneath the patay
pictures.
three. Gina, you go there. Gina, you go there. Stand now. No, go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Ay, ni kuya mo.
Rikio. Rikio.
1. Wait.
Yeah, you see now she's standing like this.
1. Yeah. 3. 3. And yeah, the plug is nice. Oh. Yeah, one. Yeah, game. Your camera is not ano. Ready. Oh.
That's all in a picture. We're going back to the parking.
Oh. Ma, tumingin ka.
Lucerne to drive to.
Mas Amarillo.
Bye, Lucerne. Thank you for watching, guys.
Switzerland, Swiss France.